Zimbabwe's major opposition lead has rejected to take a trial governing supporting Emmerson Mnangagwa's win in recent monthly's president elections. Nelson Chamisa told he had a legal complaint to conduct the nation and would conduct peace protests. His MDC Association site has estimated scam, but on Friday the Constitution trial told it had no testimony. It was Zimbabwe's at first poll with length-time lead Robert Mugabe was overthrown of force recent year. This trial's judgment is not the human being's judgment, Mr. Chamisa said reporters in the Equity Harare. This legislative doorway is not the just doorway to joy. With our constitution order, we include a order to peace protests. The is the path we will get. One of them, he added. Mr. Chamisa as well told he would not visit CEO Emmerson Mnangagwa's planned assumption of office on Saturday. Following the governing, Mr. Mnangagwa, who is of the ZANU-PF side of Mr. Mugabe, named for World and Oneness. Nelson Chamisa, my doorway is outdoor and my weapon are stretched, we are one nationality, and we must put our nationality at first, he tweeted. Mr. Mnangagwa tightly avoiding a other round work off while he took 50.7% of the voice. The opposition estimated how his voice stake, that was fair 30,000 more than votes rather than the minimal necessary for direct win, was suspect. But head judiciary Pamal Malaba named concoction of falsification brave and unfounded. Following the sentence the EU forced all parties to urge for tranquility and moderation, time the US named for the parties to honor the basic law and the guideline of act. World poll observers, who were permitted in Zimbabwe for the at first period in 16 years, substantially praised the hold of the polls. Yet, Europe Association observers were more than careful, indicating how all parties should take the sentence but as well offering how CEO Mnangagwa had benefited of an unlevel game box.